Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So what I'm making tonight, I'm gonna make some delicious chicken noodle soup, but I'm gonna do it my way. We start with these party wings that I chopped up, already cleaned, washed, pat dry. We have our mushrooms. We have our garlic clove, carrots, onion, red onion. We have our green beans, our celery, and we'll use that golden grain wide egg noodles. And it's the season we're using right here. A little garlic accent. What's that? Rosemary and 2 bouillon cubes. So we're about to make it happen in this good kitchen. Now remember, it's winter time, so this gonna be a nice, delicious, healthy meal. And make sure you keep this in your refrigerator, so if any of the family start getting sick, you can make it happen with that garlic. It's that time. Okay, so we'll go ahead and give it a nice spray with the vegetable oil. We want that seasoning to stick. Vegetable spray oil. Use our garlic powder. Tablespoon and a half garlic powder, accent. Tablespoon. A little rosemary. Really don't need it, but I'm just gonna use it anyway. I've been in the counter for about 20 years. I'm gonna stop playing. I ain't gonna even fight with it. It don't even want to come out. That's how long it's been in the cabinet for. It don't want to come out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and use some vegetable oil in our pan, our Dutch oven. So we ain't gonna need that much. Just a little more. Want to get this chicken a nice little color. We'll turn that fire on. Wait till it get nice and hot. Okay. So we want to get this chicken a nice little color. I cut the tips off, save them for another time, so I can make my own little chicken broth. So I got a couple things of chicken broth. What is it? Yeah, I got some chicken. Yeah, some chicken broth. Okay, so this is what I have right here. I have the low sodium chicken broth. That's what we're gonna use. Like I said, I was thinking about using my own, you know what I mean, making my own chicken broth. So I do that on another video, something different. So we have our chicken in there. We're gonna give each side about 5 minutes, if that, because we want that meat to fall off that bone. Some of them, you know, some of them can keep the meat on there. Okay, so now we're about to fish the chicken out. Nice little color. Now remember, we're going to boil it for a little while. Okay, we add our butter. I have to turn it off for a minute because you know the Dutch oven holds a lot of heat. A whole lot of heat. Now we get our vegetables in. Okay, we go get these vegetables a nice little seasoning. Some garlic powder. Salt. Mix everything in. See all that at the bottom? That's that good right there. So that butter and whatever water or chicken broth you add to it, it's gonna bring it up in the bottom of that pan. And all that's gonna come together. It's gonna be fire. I still have mushrooms over here. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let this do its thing in its butter for a good 8 to 10 minutes. Then we'll add the mushrooms in there. Okay. The vegetables looking good. Look at it. Looking real good. Okay. So now we're gonna use a tablespoon of minced garlic. I don't want to use my garlic clove yet. I want to wait till the soup starts cooking and it's close to feeding. So I want the family to get that good garlic. Some of that, you know, it's going to be done, but it's going to be a little, you know, not all the way cooked. I want to get them some of that in their system. You know, these kids going to school. They'll be around other kids, other families. And now remember, not everybody wear a mask. You know, them colds will be flying around. So I want to make sure this household stay good. Okay, go get these mushrooms. 2 minutes. Okay. And our chicken broth. Alright, so we're gonna do both of them. I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 bouillon cube, tomato, add our chicken back in there. We'll put the top on there and let it do its thing for about 30 minutes, if that. And make sure you put the top on there. Alright, so I tasted the juice. We just need that last chicken bouillon. Alright, this gonna be fire. Mix everything together. Ooh. My bad, baby. It got me too. Oh yeah. Okay, so we want these noodles to go ahead and soften up. That's how we looking. Now if we go ahead and put our garlic clove in there. Mix everything in. Another minute. Go ahead and put this good food on a nice plate, bowl. Now you have it. Okay, so here we go right here. Delicious chicken noodle soup. Some of the meat fell off the bone, but some of it stayed on the bone. And when I say this is fire, this is fire. So your boy did his thing in his kitchen again. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Cause like always, I put my all into the video, for real. So as a matter happened, nice little winter dinner. Healthy for the good family. Keep that good cold away. Well, that bad cold anyway, keep it away from you. But other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.